She took the ball from you, huh? He's not scared at all, huh? We've got kids in our branch that are just scared to death of Snooks.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, he wants her to
Yeah.
grab it. Barely touching it. Why isn't she getting it? Oh, there she got it.
She got it. Did she lick your finger? Oh, look, Snooks is playing with him.
Miles, is the puppy gonna get the ball? What's the puppy doing?
Uh-oh. If you throw it, she'll get it. Oh. Oh. He doesn't like that.
Did the puppy catch you?
He's trying to put his finger in the hole in the wall.
What do you think of that puppy? Oh.
Oh, he stuck his finger in it. It's like a lollipop.
Snooks doesn't get that you don't throw quite yet.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No. We don't want to stick that in our mouth, no. But it looks like a fun toy to chew on, huh? He keeps trying to put his finger in the hole. Oh! The puppy's gonna get it. Here, let's throw it over there. Go get it, puppy. Oh, you like it when the puppy grabs it, huh?
Miles, should we give Snooks a present that you opened? Here, Snookers! Snooks! Go!
Come here, little buddy. Come on.
What's she doing?
What's the doggy doing, huh? What's the doggy doing? He's getting a present, huh? I'll get your piggies.